Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will share how you can make $1,000 a day by sharing the story of how I started making $1,000 a day. Basically, this became a 7-figure business model for me. It's one of the most reliable business model. It worked before, it works now, and it will work in the future as well. And I will kind of give you an idea about the future, which no one can actually predict, but we can give you an idea from experience, and I will share my experience. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and in case you like our videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we'll upload our next video. So moving on, back in 2011, 10 years before, when I started my online marketing journey, I learned about a course. I'll tell you about the course. I'll tell you about the course creator. Unfortunately, you will not find it online at the moment. I even talked to the course creator recently, but he doesn't even have the access. But I will tell you everything step by step, so it won't be a big issue for you. So I got the course. So before getting the course, I got a pre-sale ebook. That ebook was launched as a pre-launch for the main launch, and the ebook was free. So I just had to sign up with my name and email address, and I got the free PDF ebook. Honestly, I was blown away with the PDF ebook, with the quality, with the sheer volume of the information loaded in there step by step, that I literally learned everything from the PDF ebook. And I was so crazy and interested to learn more that I ended up purchasing the $350 course. And back then, when I didn't have a single penny income online, yes, I was making money from my day job, but not from online. Investing $350 on a course was big. It was a big decision for me, but I took the decision. So instead of going through the full course, I decided to take action, because the course promise was $350,000 a year. So you will make $350,000 a year, or how the creator made $350,000 a year, and how you can, the course students would make that too. That was the promise. I believed in it. That was the first thing, and it's very important. Before you actually take something, believe in it. I believed in it. Why? Because I got the pre-sale value. It was a huge value. I knew that the course creator knew what he was talking about. So as I was going through the course, I started taking action. Again, stay with me. I will tell you about the course. I will tell you about the model. I will tell you about the course creator. I will tell you how you can do it. So as I went through the course, I started taking action. At the beginning, I didn't know how big the work was, how big the project was, and whether I could do it myself or I needed help or what. But within a few weeks of working, I realized it's not a one-man's job. I need help. So to save money, I decided to work myself, learn and work, but I gave myself time. So I broke down my tasks and I started putting in the work. Now what happened then? It took around 3 months to complete the project. Now I seriously invested on that 3 months. And after 3 months, when the project was completed, I ended up not launching it. Now the whole crazy thing. What do we learn from this? Number one, the faith, the belief in yourself. I believed in me. I believed in the system so much that till date, I have that business. I run that business, and it's a 7-figure per year business for me. But my first project was never launched. So what did we get from doing all this? I will tell you in a moment, as I told you that I'm going to share everything, but not launching. So lesson number one, if the pre-sale value, the free information value is high, then it's easy to sell. And that is why I purchased the $350 product. It was a course, and I had to do all the work. You have to believe. You have to believe in the system and yourself. If you do, you can put in the work. It is possible. Now, it is really possible to do everything yourself by learning and doing. If you break down all the tasks, take your time, and actually take action, you will learn, do, and finish the projects. But finally, when you not launch the project, what happens? You learn from the process. From that process, I literally learned every component of the business model, and that made my whole business successful in the long run. So instant gratification was not the result for me, but the process was the result for me. So when you are learning something, follow this process. Now, what is the business model? The business model is product launch. Who was the creator? Anik Singhal. And what was the course name? The Empire Formula. Now, as I told you, I will share everything with you. Now, I really don't need to go to the desktop today because I know everything of this business. It's a full project. You start a product with a goal of how you're going to make money with it, how it's going to be a long-term recurring revenue or a profit model for you. So in the product launch formula, Anik Singhal started teaching by doing it. So the pre-sale value was high. The ebook was half the, or maybe 75% of the full course, or maybe the full video course in the written format. So even if somebody did not buy the product, the course would know everything from the PDF report. So always create an awesome pre-sale value. Build list. Anik Singhal gave away that PDF report in exchange of my name and email. I happily gave away. He sold a lot to me in future through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing was half the business. Now let's talk about the product launch. The product is a product. It can be a course. It can be audio recording. It can be a software, can be downloadable, can be web-based, can be mobile application. It is a problem to the solution. Question. Do we have enough customers to buy this product, to spend money on this solution to the problem? Another question, are there people who have audience that they can promote this product to? These are the affiliates. We need traffic for the product launch and to sell the product for free. Affiliates will help us, and if the product is so good, then they will promote. Now, why would affiliate promote? Affiliate will promote for 2 things or 3 things. So 2 things or 3 things. What are these 2 or 3? Number 1, they will sell for their money. They want to make affiliate commissions. That's why they will promote. So if your offer converts to their audience, they will happily promote over and over and over again. Number 2, they will promote for reputation. So if your product and customer support, after sales support is good, you will get the affiliates promote your products, if not the same product, over and over again. And number 3, some of the affiliates, if not a lot of affiliates, are same product creators as you, and they will want reciprocation. So what they want is, when they will launch a product, they want you to promote them. If you can confirm these 3, then you will find affiliates to promote you. Now, how can you get affiliates? Back then it was hard. They were in the forums. Now they are everywhere in the social media. If you can't find them, not a problem. Hire a JV manager, an affiliate manager, to get in touch with them. Joint venture with others. Many people have the ability to launch a product, but they don't have time to create products. Create awesome products, contact with them, show them your product, and they will launch with you. Finally comes advertisements. It's not final really, but advertisement is a part. For advertisements, there is copywriting, video sales letter creation. What is your competitors doing? Do exact the same. So for that, either you need to write copywriting yourself, and to build a sales page, graphic design yourself. For that, you may need to use ClickFunnels or WordPress, maybe Convertri, maybe HTML. But the best part is, nowadays, these are very, very easy. Technical work is very easy with the awesome softwares that we have in the market, but still you need to learn something. You have to put in the work and put in the time to learn and take action. Yes, probably the last part is customer support. Why I'm saying probably? Because that's the part of the product. So customer support has to be number 1. For that, you cannot do the customer support. Make sure you have someone to address customers' problems, their requests, and put your name in a position that people know that you are a helpful product creator to your customers. You take care of your customers. So more and more people will talk about you, and they will promote your products, and customers will love to buy your products. Now the last part, and that is the 50% of the business, affiliate marketing. The customers you will get from the sales will join your mailing list. They are your customers. Build relationship with them by giving away like Anik Singhal. Exactly the same way I am doing at the moment. I'm literally giving you everything. You take the keywords, and if you search with the keywords on Google, you will learn everything. You literally don't need a course. After building relationship, the moment you tell your customers, hey, I found this product good, and if you buy using my link, I will give you an additional bonus. Your customers will love to buy from you and you only. And that is how you make even more money as an affiliate. Now, if you look back, there were lots of tasks. For that, you need help. So, as you make money, start building your team. Start spending money on building a company. If needed, take an office. It's your choice. But have a mindset to not only share your knowledge, your experience, but also share your money with your team members. So pay them well. That will become a profitable, recurring business model. Anik Singhal said you will make $350,000 a year, but I ended up making over $2 million a year. So thanks to Anik Singhal, thanks to you for watching, and take action. If you like our videos, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be notified when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.